They say the forest glows at night, that the animals have changed, grown bolder, larger. Some say mutated. But is it truth? Or the invention of a frightened imagination? This is the story of what really happened to the animals of Chernobyl. April 26, 1986. Chernobyl nuclear power plant, reactor 4, exploded during a late-night safety test. The blast released 400 times more radiation than the Hiroshima bomb. Pripyat, a city of 50,000, was abandoned within 48 hours. The exclusion zone, 1,000 square miles, became one of the most radioactive places on Earth. And within this silent wasteland, nature took over. In the days and weeks after the explosion, wildlife suffered horrific effects. Birds dropped mid-flight. Pine trees turned red and died, the red forest. Wild boars gave birth to piglets with malformed limbs and organs. Insects vanished. Bees refused to enter the zone. The radiation scrambled DNA, caused deformities. Some animals were born with missing eyes, tumors, shortened limbs. But these mutations were short-lived. Most died quickly. Nature, as always, selected ruthlessly. Fast forward 30 years. The zone is alive. Wolves now roam in higher concentrations than anywhere else in Europe. Lynx, moose, and even bison have returned. Wild Przewalski's horses were introduced in the 1990s, and they thrived. There are even glowing fungi. Yes, actual mushrooms that absorb and grow from radiation. And the animals, they don't fear humans, because there are none. But are they really mutated? Let's clear something up. Most of what you've seen, three-eyed wolves, glowing bears, six-legged deer, is fiction. Photos of extreme deformities are usually early post-disaster casualties, Photoshop, or unrelated malformations from outside the zone. Chernobyl animals are genetically altered, yes, but not monsters. Still, that doesn't mean they're unaffected. Recent studies found wolves in the zone have damaged white blood cells, affecting immunity. Barn swallows have albinism and smaller brains. Rodents pass down chromosomal changes over generations. In short, the radiation does mutate, but nature finds balance. So how do these animals survive when humans can't? 2 reasons. 1. Radiation fades over time. Many hotspots remain deadly, but vast areas now have survivable radiation levels. 2. No humans, less disruption. No cars, no cities, no hunting. Wildlife, even slightly mutated, is safer here than outside. Ironically, Chernobyl has become Europe's largest accidental wildlife reserve, but the zone isn't without its horrors. In 1998, scientists found frogs with extra legs and eye deformities near contaminated ponds. In 2000, a pack of hairless wolves was spotted, thin, sickly, and sterile. Insects like Chernobyl beetles show color shifts, glowing blue shells from melanin disruption. And the most chilling, mutated mice passing damaged genes to offspring for more than 20 generations. An evolving legacy of radiation. Could Chernobyl create an entirely new species? A race of radiation-hardened creatures? Probably not. Most mutations are harmful, not helpful, but slow adaptations are possible. It's evolution under stress, a real-time experiment with deadly stakes, and we're only just beginning to understand it. Chernobyl isn't a monster movie, it's something far stranger. It's a place where the natural world is fighting, and sometimes thriving, in the shadow of human catastrophe. And while you won't find glowing bears or three-headed wolves, what lives in the zone is still not quite normal. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed and want to watch more history content.